Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the error code 0X80070424 Windows update not working. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So click on the start button and then go to settings. Now, if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can directly search for settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now, here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system and then scroll down and you will find troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. And here you'll find Windows Update with the run button corresponding to it. So run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, the good thing is it will give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends. Now for the next method is, and after you have done the Windows Update Troubleshooter, what you can do, just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Now for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type services. Click on services under the best match. So we are going to check some services. So just simply follow me. Let's go first to the B section as these are arranged in alphabetical order. And here we can find the background intelligent transfer service. Make a right click, select properties. Startup type, that should be automatic. Click on start. Then you have to click on apply and click on OK. And then scroll down to the D section, D as in dog. And here you'll find the, let's scroll up. This one, DCOM Server Process Launcher. Simply make a right click and then select Properties. Startup type, that should be automatic, and service status, that should be running. So you have to click on the Start button. Click on Apply, click on OK. And then you have to scroll down to the R section. Here we can find the remote procedure call and the remote procedure call locator. Make a right click, select properties, startup type, that should be automatic, and the service status, you have to click on start to make sure the service is running. Click on apply, click on OK. Also for the remote procedure call locator, make a right click, select properties, startup type, that should be automatic, and you have to click on start to make this running. Click on apply, click on OK, and scroll down to the W section and look for the Windows Update service. Make a right click, select properties, startup type, that should be automatic, click on start. Click on apply, click on OK, close the services window, then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your window. So that's it. That's how you can fix the error code 0x80070424 on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.